Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is very important for all of you because in the upcoming days there is a Infosys training started for so many candidates because some of the candidates got the mail related to their virtual onboarding or virtual training in this October month. So the Infosys joining is confirmed because Infosys team shared one mail like welcome to Infosys, important points to be note before joining. If you are waiting for long time, there is no update and now your training is started, there is a new journey in the upcoming days. Okay, and so many candidates ask some of the queries related to Cognizant Gen C examination like, sir, I applied for the Gen C exam and but there is a no mail, no update from the Gen C team, only applied status is shown and Superset team just send the mail like you have applied for this recruitment drive. All the important point is discussed in today's video. Let's start. Before starting, we are making good videos for all of you and we are putting lot of efforts. Please like and share the video with your friends. Let's start the video. So this type of mail is sent by Infosys team. Welcome to Infosys. Important points to note before joining. Dear candidate, we are excited for you to join us shortly. I hope you have downloaded the Launchpad app and started reviewing your information and uploading your documents. Important points to be noted before joining. They just mentioned that these points are very important and you have to know before your joining. Your joining is virtual until further notice, keeping in mind the COVID protocol, and update to the virtual session timing shared shortly. Submitting offer letter and accept the forms on the Launchpad is mandatory as part of joining compulsion. Thus, we would need you to complete the same. Your employee number generation on the date of joining will be done only if you these two are completed. So you have to maintain this form and offer letter as submitting this because this is a part of joining compulsion. Please upload all the available documents and click on authenticate on Launchpad at the earliest. In case you have any pending documents, you can upload. Okay, and you need to authenticate the Launchpad documents on the Launchpad, and you have to upload all the available documents and you have to click on particular because this is very important because they are checking all the documents related to your mark sheet and all about the different documents, Aadhaar card, PAN card. In case of non-availability of any original educational mark sheet documents for any reason, you are requested to obtain a bona fide letter attached by your college university. In case the mark sheet document has been lost or misplaced, a copy of FIR will be required. Without these documents, the joining formality will consider to be incomplete, invalid. This is one of the most important point. As your employment contract, your location of training is in India, therefore you shall be required to based in India during your training. Since you are based higher of India, if you begin and continue your training based in any country outside India, it shall be violation of employment contract and the Indian working hour policy of Infosys Limited. So you are required to inform the company if you are not residing in India, and please write us to before your joining to enable us to guide you accordingly on next course of action. They just mentioned that these are 5 important points you should know before your joining. Okay, so wishing you a fulfilling and rewarding career at Infosys. So if your joining is in the upcoming days and all the formalities is completed, best of luck for your training, and you have to give your 110% in your training. And because there is a FA examination, there is some different examination after related to your training as well as plus joining. Okay, so if you not received any update from the Infosys team, I suggest you to please wait because so many candidates join in the upcoming days, and in the upcoming month November, December, they will plan accordingly new batches. Okay, so if you received the offer letter, definitely you will got the joining letter as you are following educational criteria as well as the other criteria. Okay, don't lose hope. And if I talk about the Cognizant Gen C examination, so most probably I talked to so many candidates, they are saying that they not received any exam mail. Okay, no exam mail that they received. Most probably they are conducting exam in the form of phases, like after Diwali, most probably they will start the examination that is related, because the examination is online and I already mentioned that how you can prepare for the examination. So I suggest you to wait for some more days because they are conducting examination in the form of phases. You are not rejected. Okay. I hope this video is useful for everyone. Thanks for watching the video.